So to do that, first we'll go to CAD screen and switch off grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. First we're going to set the limits of the drawing sheet. So first go to limits, and here specify lower left corner 0, 0 and the upper right corner 297, 210, 210. Then say zoom all. Now we're going to draw a line. Consider any point and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse in the left right direction, and then click again on the first button of the mouse and move the cursor on the upward direction and click on the first button of the mouse and say enter. So go to offset, take the distance as 297, enter. So you click on the vertical line and offset to the left side, and again you just go to offset and take the distance as 210 and click on the horizontal line and offset to the top side, and then go to zoom extends and then zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between this line and this line and this line and this line, and from here on these two. So now we go for the problem number. So go to the text. So here click on this and take the height as 4 and rotation angle as 0 and type the problem number 84. So here an equilateral triangular lamina, an equilateral triangular lamina of 25 mm sides lies with one of its edges on HP, such that the surface of the lamina inclined at 30. The edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degrees. Draw its projections. Enter. Now we go for zoom extends. Then go to, now we're going to go for a layer. Click on new, type XY layer, and again click on new, go to views, and now you just go to line weight and make this as 0.05 and select it. Then again click on XY, go to default line weight, click on 0.13 and say OK, and go to views, click on line weight, make this as 0.5 and say OK and close. Now we go for the line. First we are going to draw a triangle. So to do that, first go to polygon, take the number of sides as 3, take the edge option. So you select this, specify first point of edge and take it in this direction. The second point of edge, you take this as 25 and draw a vertical. So this is the vertical position of the triangle, and then go to this, go to CH and then click on layer and make this as views and say escape. Now you switch on this, then go to line, draw a horizontal line at some distance and go to line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this, and similarly intersection point of this to perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two, fillet between these two. Then go to select, click on this layer and make this as view. Now we have the front view. Then he says it is, then I will going to copy this, copy, select this and copy to the next position by clicking on the first button of the mouse. Then go to rotate, rotate this position since it is base point is the edge, rotate end point of this and then give the rotation angle as 60 degrees as it is in counterclockwise direction is positive. Then go to line, take intersection, go to line, take end point of this, draw a vertical line and take end point of this and draw a vertical line, take line INT and take perpendicular to this line, take INT and drag this and keep it here, and then go to line INT, take this here and go to break fillet between this line and this line and between this line and this line. Now we need to go to line, take intersection of this to intersection of this and take intersection of this. Now we need to break this, so you just go to zoom window, so go to break, go to BR, select this, take F first point, define this as the first point and the second point is also the same point as the first point. Then go to break, again you select this, F first point, I want to select this as the intersection point of the first point and the second point is also the same point, so you type at the rate and press enter key. At the rate and press enter key. Now if you see, this has broken here and also this has broken here. Now we go for select between these three and go to layer and make this as views. Now we will go for a group command, so go to group, select objects, you select this line, you select this line, you select this line and you select this line and press enter key. So what happens, all this has become a group now. So when you just click on one entity, all these lines will going to be get selected. So go to line, draw a line from intersection part of this and draw the XY line. Similarly, draw a line from intersection part of this on this side. Then go to copy, then select this and copy to the next position. Then go to rotate, rotate, select this and take intersection part of this. So what should be the rotation angle? It should be counterclockwise direction is positive, so you just type 30. So go to rotate, select this, take intersection part of this and take 30 degrees counterclockwise. Now then go to move, select this, switch off the ortho mode and place it wherever you want. Then go to line, draw a line from intersection part of this and perpendicular to this. Similarly, line intersection of this and take perpendicular to this and go to line, take intersection of this take line intersection of this and draw a horizontal line and take line, take intersection of this and perpendicular to this and go to fillet between these two. Then go to line, take intersection of this and intersection of this and intersection of this. Select this, take first point as the intersection part of this and second point at the rate. Similarly, go to break, select first point you take intersection of this at the rate and enter. You select all these three lines and go to layer, make this as view and then you press escape. Then go to this XY line, go to layer, make this line as XY. Then now we come down to close this. Now we'll go for the text. Select this line, so select the start point, and you mark this as X, and you mark this as Y, and you mark this as VP, and you mark this as HP. Then go to the text. Again, mark this as 4, small a, you mark this as B, and you mark this as C. Here A dash, here it is B dash, and here it is C dash, and in bracket. Now go to copy, put out the ortho mode, select A dash, select it here, then B dash, you select it here, then C dash, you select it here. Then come down to A, select this, keep it here, A, and this A will come here. Then go to B, select this B here and copy it here, and that B will come here. Then go to C, select this C here and copy it to here and also here. Then go to zoom window, select between this and go to the text, and here you mark this as A dash, you mark this as B dash, and you mark this as C dash, and enter. So here go to the text, you mark this as A dash, and you mark this as C dash. Then go to move, select objects, you select this and place it appropriately. So here, then go to A, similarly C, similarly B. Then here you go to A dash, then you mark this as C dash, similarly B dash. Here A dash, C dash, here it is B dash, so here it is A, here it is B, here it is C. Similarly, you mark this as C, and you mark this as A, you mark this as B, you mark this as A dash, you mark this as C dash, you mark this as B dash. Once you get this, now we go for the dimensioning. So to do the dimensioning, so go to DDIM, go to modify, go to primary units as precision as 0, then go to text, you make this as 4, aligned with dimension line above, and offset from the dimension line is 3. Go to symbols and arrows, you make it 4, and lines and this thing here offset from the origin as 3. Say OK and say close. So now we go for dim vertical, select this and you take this as 25 mm. And dim angular, select between these two, then you make it 60 degrees. Then go to dim TED, text edit dimension, and you drag this and keep it here. Similarly, dim angular, select between this line and this line, and here he has given it as 60 degrees, so you take 60 degrees. Then go to dim TED, text edit dimension, so then you place it wherever you want. So this is how you will be able to complete this particular drawing of how to construct an equilateral triangular lamina by using CAD software. And finally, you just go to save, go to the appropriate drive, E, come down to AutoCAD, come down to Laminas drawing, and say P84, and say save. And finally, you will just go to X.